Tongue posture. What on earth is that? Why have I never heard of it before? I mean, there's correct posture for your back and neck, but your tongue? In this video, learn how and why tongue posture will change your life. So, it turns out there is a correct way to position your tongue to make you look and feel a lot better. It's called mewing. What it is basically correcting your tongue posture, and it was coined by Dr. Mike Mew of Orthotropics. Before I begin, just wanted to clarify with you all that it essentially works best when the skull is still growing. So by the late teens or early 20s, it's best to take on these techniques that I'm about to show you, since your skull isn't fully grown yet and you can get it to form correctly early on. So the next question I can already tell coming, but is it still possible for adults to benefit from tongue posture correction and techniques? And the answer is yes. The reason is because you work out the muscle tone of the tongue, which you still can impact and change to make it suitable so that you can look, feel, sleep, and breathe better. Well, how do I know if I already have a bad tongue posture? What if I'm already doing it correctly? So if your tongue rests at the bottom of the mouth pushing against the bottom teeth, you have it all wrong. As many as 50% of people have incorrect tongue posture, and a growing number of dentists and orthodontists have started addressing this problem because what it leads to is mouth breathing, which in turn can lead to a number of other health problems such as sleep apnea, misaligned teeth, and not getting enough oxygen because you breathe from your mouth instead of your nose. I'm extremely guilty of this. So you see, the tongue is a powerful muscle. It's actually a series of 8 different muscles, and it will affect how high your cheekbones develop, how your jawline forms, and how straight or crooked your teeth become. And it can also lead to a number of other health conditions down the line. So to fix your tongue posture and essentially mew, there's an easy 3-step process I want you to follow. Number 1, lips together. This will in turn cause you to use your nose to breathe, as this is what it was designed for. Number 2, your molars should gently rest on one another, not clenching each other, but gently resting so that your jaw stays in proper alignment with your head. And number 3, most importantly, your whole tongue should be pushed against your upper palate of your mouth. Most people, when they're starting out, only put the tip of their tongue against their roof, but the entire tongue should be chilling up on the roof. A good way of knowing it is saying words that end with ing like king or sing, as this helps your tongue naturally connect with the roof. Doing these 3 steps assure you of proper tongue placement. In the beginning, when you're starting out, at least for me, it was hard for me to breathe, but over time it will help to open up your sinuses and help you breathe more naturally, getting adequate oxygen into your lungs. Another thing is that your jaw might start to feel a little tired because you're used to leaving it hang when your mouth is open, and now we're forcing it to stay closed. It'll take some time to get used to, and important to note is changes are slow and it does take some time to take effect, but it will happen eventually as it differs for each person. So are there any exercises I can do to fix tongue placement? The answer is yes. The best method is to take a piece of chewing gum, try to lay it flat on your tongue and press up with it against the roof of your mouth, as this strengthens your tongue, which then helps to also strengthen your jaw, which in turn helps you get used to positioning your tongue there more often than not. I hope this video has given you guidance on this topic, and I hope you can start implementing it soon to see benefits. Let me know though if this has helped you in the comment section below, and let's start a discussion for any other tips and tricks you know of on how to mew correctly. Also, I've left some important links in the description as well, so definitely check those out too. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like, share, subscribe. It'll mean the world to me.